Can you look at the card? What does it have on it? What does the card have on the front? John, what does the card say on the front? Look at the front.
Ew.
Does it have dinosaurs on the front? Yeah.
This big toy.
This is to buy a toy, yes. We just discussed that. It's not like he's used to getting thousands of gift cards or anything. Can you say thank you?
Me too.
Say love you.
Thank you.
Oh, and there's Kaiser. What is he doing? He's stepping on your card. Can you move your card? Okay. Say thank... John. Hey, John, can you say thank you, Danny? And can you say thank you, Nicole? Okay. They brought you that. They sent that all the way from Chicago so that you could have a toy that you like. That's very, very generous. Toy. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.